Hey everyone, Mr. Clemmer here, and I wanted to make just a quick video so that you would have no questions about what my class looks like on the very first day of school, right? I'm going to give tons of directions out on the first day of school and kind of set the norms for what our Zoom days look like. And so I kind of want to walk you through what you'll do on the first day of school so you don't miss out on anything. And for those of you that are new to Gwinnett County, can kind of navigate your way through eClass. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to eClass, right? And you'll go to eClass, you'll type in your student number, and if this is the first time you're logging in, if you're a returning student, I think your password is going to be the same. If you're new to Gwinnett, I believe your initial login is usually your student ID for both your username and password, and then they'll prompt you to change it. Okay. So once you do that, you're then going to click on the right-hand side, course pages. You'll find mine. It always starts with semester 1 Clemmer World Geography. That's me. Okay. And that'll take you to a site that looks like this. Okay. Now, most teachers in the entire cluster from the elementary schools through the high schools will be using this template you see here. Okay, so those of you parents who have kids in many different schools in Duluth, you should kind of get used to what this looks like. Okay, so this will be updated every week. I'll also have a link at the top for a weekly snapshot, which kind of explains what's going to happen throughout the week. I always have my Zoom links and links to any homework assignments and things like that. Okay, so on the first day of school, you got two places to choose. You can either click here where it says get to know Mr. Clemmer Zoom, or I've got it in big red letters on the bottom. It says for first day of school Zoom links, click here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click here and show you what this looks like. And it will take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, now this is very, very important because this is going to be very different than what you were used to in the spring. Okay, you must be logged in through G Suite in order to access the Zoom rooms. Okay, this is a requirement by the county to make sure that only students in Gwinnett are getting into our Zoom rooms. And so if you're not logged into the G Suite first, it won't let you in. Okay, and so if you forgot how to do that, or if you just don't know how to do it, I made a little tutorial for you. You can click here. It'll help you kind of navigate the steps of logging into G Suite. G Suite, for a reminder, is your Gwinnett County Google account. Okay, and then all you do is find your class period, right? And you're going to click on your class period. It will take you to your Zoom link, and I usually start the sessions about 5 minutes before, right? So you just find your period. I put the times there so that you kind of know what the class periods look like. Class periods right now are about 45 minutes. They always start at the bottom of the hour and they go until quarter after. And yeah, my Zoom sessions aren't usually going to take the whole time. I try to take about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you'll have time to work on whatever assignment there is that day. That usually takes about 15 minutes. So homework outside of the kind of the 45-minute block isn't really going to be a big thing. Okay, but I just wanted to make sure you knew exactly how to get to the first day of school activities, and then after that I'll spend some time on the first day kind of going through what those norms look like and all that good stuff. Okay, hope you guys enjoy the last couple days of summer, and I will see you on the 12th. Have a great day.